Hello everyone, I'm Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share 3 simple ways by which you can give new look to your old decor pieces. First method is by changing color of the showpiece. I have this Buddha statue from past 7 to 8 years. We'll give it a new look just by changing its color. Here I'm using red acrylic color. In my opinion, painting any moderate or big size statue or showpiece with single color give it a very classy look. Second method is by adding color to your old wall decor. This is an old painting. I will only change color of few patches in this painting according to my current color theme. So my dining area is mostly blue and yellows. So I will change this red color patch to yellow. And this orange patch into blue color. Third method is by adding dimension to any wall art. I made this Eiffel Tower painting long back. First I will paint the brown frame into gold color. For adding dimension, I will use glue gun over Eiffel Tower. And once it's dry, I will paint it with same gold color. All 3 methods shared in this video are very simple and doable. Do try them out and share your experiences with me in comment section below. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.